So today I'm going to teach you about how notes get represented based on the time they occupy in a song. So notes can either be high or low, right? Notes can also be long or short. So think of it as an XY axis. Now I like to use the example of a pizza. So pepperoni is my favorite pizza. That's a pepperoni pizza. Here's the box it comes in, okay? Now the pepperoni pizza is one whole note. And the box is one bar of music. Now, what is a bar of music? It's a cross-section of a song. So let's just say, for instance, this bar of music is 4 seconds long. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now, this pizza, let's say if a friend comes over, you're going to have to divide it in half. Now, what do you have? That one whole note just got divided into 2 half notes. That's it. Okay, now let's say more friends come over. Now you divide it again. So what's happening here? The pizza isn't shrinking. You're just dividing it up into smaller chunks, and the size of the box remains the same. So the bar of music is always going to be 4 seconds long. So 2 half notes just got divided into 4 quarter notes, right? And I'll teach you how to count it in just a second. And then let's say more friends come over, so you start dividing this up more. Now what do you have? You have 8 notes. And finally, let's say more people come over, it's turned into a rowdy party now. What do you have? You have 16 16th notes. Now, let me tell you how that sounds. Let's start with the one whole note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. That's a whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. That's 2 half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 quarter notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that is 8 notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, that is 4 16th notes. So 16th, 8th, quarter, half, whole note. They're all the same pizza. They're just getting divided into smaller chunks. That's it. And they get counted a little bit differently. That's about it. Okay, I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.